How do I get my business site higher in Google? Part 5. Hey, just in case I haven't said this before, you do not have to watch these in order. I'm Dr. Ty with Powerful SEO. I talked about myself in video 1, so I'm not going to do that again. Going over the article, 29 tips on SEO when building a website. But you could also use these tips when marketing your business website. Today I'm going to start with number 3. Where's number 3? There it is. Relevant content is a web page that changes when needed. Search engines like websites that change. Search engines like websites with longevity pages. Yes, this can be a catch-22. Don't change a web page by adding a period or space just to change the publish date. It doesn't work anymore. But do change your web page when it stops being relevant. And here, I even talked about making sure that you have things spelled correctly and that there's with instead of when. My editor didn't do so good, and I will be changing that. This is generally truer of blog posts than web pages. Blog posts can become irrelevant and outdated. It's better to remove or update unnecessary blog posts than to leave them there. Well, you can also take several blog posts and combine them into one if they're all about the same thing. Number 18. I'm going to go in order. I'm going to do 18 and 19 today. 18. Use long tail keywords. I know that's kind of techie nerdy, but you'll get it. Long tail keywords are just keywords that have more than one word. Plumber is a keyword. Residential plumber New York is a long tail keyword. But this long tail keyword could rank for residential plumber, plumber New York, and residential plumber New York. So long tail keywords can actually help you. Fewer people do look for long tail keywords, but they also work for the short tail keywords or specific keywords as well. Number 19. Notice how a location has been used in this last point. I didn't do the point before that. The average plumber in New York isn't going to travel to Florida to fix a leaky pipe. Using your location can make a big difference. For instance, we do search engine optimization work for companies around the world, but we use the SEO Tacoma and SEO Seattle keywords all over our site because that's where we are based. People generally like working with local people first. Then when you get a better reputation, you'll notice that it starts expanding out more. But if you start with local, and remember, I can put Seattle SEO everywhere, and the search engines are just going to see the SEO as well. So it will help with both. Hey, make sure to go over to our website, portbell.com, go to Success Tips, and click on Join the Club, and you will be the first people that find out about all of our videos and other stuff that comes out. We only email once a week. You're not going to get inundated, so you don't have to worry about that, but you'll find out when the new videos come out. I don't do videos every single week. With this series, I am, but it's not always consistent. So this way you'll be able to find out better. Thank you, everybody. Please, if you like the videos, hit your like button, share it with your friends. I really appreciate that. Have a great day.